but straight for the wall. So, I'm not really sure what to do. I think we just need to take it easy, relax, slow things down a bit, and, you know, make sure we get this right this time. Okay? I'm on a limited budget here. I can only snap my hands like this. So really tiring. Okay? Maybe the couch should become a couch again. Okay? Phone's ready to go. Here's I'm that horse. Ready? It's generally just more painful to watch when it takes longer, right? Yeah. Again, not exactly what we were going for. So, you know, Einstein once said that the definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over again and expecting a different result. So, if we want to improve this, let's do the opposite of what we just did. Maybe we should go with reckless abandon, and maybe we'll just fall into a decent public safety area. Okay? That sounds reasonable, right? Right. It's totally going to work. There's no other alternative. All right. We're ready to go. Everything looks good. Horse looks good. Action.
Read the horse carrot.
Let's fall somewhere in the middle. We definitely don't have a very good sense of timing here at all. I think maybe if we fall into a little bit of a rhythm, this is going to work much better. Okay? I mean, right? I'm pretty much out of ideas, so we might as well try this one. Okay? So, couch. Do your thing. Horse. You're not to be turned into blues. And put a little mustard on it, you guys. I sincerely hope public safety comes and saves the day this time. What will public safety do to stop the tornado? I mean, if any of us know. My guess is it's going to be incredible. Oh, yeah. I mean, I don't know. I'm the director of this. But, well, we'll just see what happens, okay? Sit down. Sit down. It's a tornado. build systems.